Let's start with units. So as we had explored earlier how to create new file, so we will click on new file and I'm going to click on the photo document presets, and in this preset we will learn today units. So first, by clicking on pixels. What mean by pixels? So pixel is the smallest unit of a measurement. An image, it is a combination of a picture, text, video and artwork. Pixels are in various combinations. So let's see how pixels work and what are the pixels. So just now I'm going to open. Now I'm going to close this and I'm going to open an image. So this is an image and I'm going to open it. Now after opening this image, so let's do command plus for zoom. So you can see these small dots. Now I'm doing again. So now you can see a grid. These are the small grids and this is known as pixels. Now I'm going to zoom out by command minus, and in Windows you can use control minus and control plus for zoom in and control minus for zoom out. So this is known as pixels. Next, now I'm going to close this file. Next one is again create new document, photo, and again next is inches. What are the inches? It is 1/12 of a foot. An inch in centimeter, it is 1/12 of foot. Okay, so when can be inches used? Inches can be used when you have to create holdings, flex. So that time you can use. I said 1/12 of foot. Now suppose a client give you 12 foot by 12 foot. So it's an inches. So this is an inches. Now I'm going to click on print and here I'm going to give inches. So I want to make a holding. Now I'm giving width by 12 foot to height 12 and create. So how I want, it's also depend on orientation. So I want portrait. Okay, now it's by 12 by 12, so it's and create. So this is what 12 by 12 foot or inches. So now here you can create it. Next, same. Now we will again create a new file. We will go in print. Then there is in centimeter. Centimeters means cm, a metric unit equal to 1/3 of a meter. Okay, so centimeters is also used for creating hoardings, then flex. You can also create artwork with centimeters. Suppose you want to create some product design, then that time also you can use centimeters. So you can give any size to this, or you can keep as it is. Now I am giving here 50 centimeter to 20 centimeter and my orientation will be portrait and resolution will be 300 and create. So this is what the centimeter. You can create project in this. So next is again we will click on new file, print, and next is millimeters. You can also go through with millimeters. Now millimeters means mm. It is unit of measurement which is equal to 1,000th of meter. In this also you can create posters, then templates, then pamphlets, so or artwork you can also create. And now I'm giving here different size. It's like 70 meters by 100 meters. So let's see. And I'm giving like orientation to landscape and resolution 200 300 create. So this is the page. Now I can create project. Next is again we will click on new file and points. So point is used to measure the length of the font or any elements are available on the page. It is the another smallest unit of measurement. So point is used for designing. So you can use points also. Mostly points are used when you write the text. That time can be used. So let's see it. Now I'm going in print, points and A4. Again I'm clicking on points, and okay, I am good with portrait orientation also and create. And suppose I had click on text, it's horizontal. So see here you will see points. Point short form is PT. So earlier I had used a term like it is used to measure the length of a font. So this is a font, like I am writing here Adobe Photoshop. Okay, and now I'm going to select this and give this size. So this is known as points, means PT. Now I'm going to don't save. Next is again we will click on create new file and print A4 size. And next is the last one is Picas. Picas are also used. It is used to represent fixed horizontal column and column width. So Picas are used mostly for newspaper, journals, ads, magazines, newsletters. So that time you can use Picas. So now in templates also you can see various options. So these are the magazines cover you can use. That time you can click on Picas and you can create a magazines. So now by default the size is A4. So I'm giving the same size and just selecting a Picas from units, and orientation will be portrait and resolution will be 300 and create. So now here I can create my document, or you can change the magazine size also, a newsletter size also. So this is what the units are. So today we had explore units. So now stay tuned for background content video.